Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to play mini games in Township. There are also fun mini games sprinkled throughout the gameplay that can earn you extra rewards and keep things exciting. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to find, play, and make the most of mini games in Township. First off, I'd like you to know what mini games are. Mini games are small interactive challenges that pop up during your Township experience. They offer fun ways to win coins, experience points, and sometimes our items. Example could include match 3 puzzles, when you collect certain resources, regatta competitions, where you race in mini games with your co-op, and fishing and zoo-related mini changes. Each mini game adds variety and rewards to your gameplay. Now, how can you access these mini games? Number one, you can get them during regular gameplay. Occasionally, while harvesting or building, you may trigger mini games like a quick puzzle or matching game. Then you have regatta mini games. When you join a co-op and participate in regattas, you get special mini game challenges as part of the competition, and you need to get to a certain level for you to do that. Then fishing mini games. You can fish in a pond near your town to catch fish in a mini game style. Likewise, zoo mini games. When managing your zoo, you may get mini challenges related to feeding or caring for animals. Each mini game has its own rules, but here's a quick overview. You have the match 3 puzzles. You swap adjacent tiles to make matches of 3 or more of the same kind, clear targets to win coins or items. You have the fishing mini game. Tap and hold to cast a fishing line, then try to reel in fish by tapping at the right time. You have the regatta challenges. Complete timed tasks like collecting specific items or matching patterns with your co-op team to earn points. You have zoo challenges. Complete animal care tasks by tapping items or matching pairs within a time limit. There are a couple of rewards for mini games, of course, like coins and township cash, experience points to level up faster, special items like decorations, building materials or rare goods, and regatta trophies and co-op points. So go over the tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.